Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your Hostinger name servers. If you are setting up a domain or transferring one, knowing your name server is a crucial step. So let's get started. First of all, find the web browser on your mobile device and open it. From there, go to the Hostinger's official website, that is www.hostinger.com. And from there, make sure that you are logged into your Hostinger account. And once you have logged into your account, go to the hamburger option on the top left corner of the screen. From there, click an option saying domains. From there, click on the option saying domain portfolio. And this is where all your registered domains are listed. From the list of domains, click on the one for which you want to find the name servers. In the domain setting, look for the option saying name servers. Here you will see your Hostinger provided name servers, which usually look like this. To use this name server, simply copy them and that's it. You've now found your Hostinger's name servers. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.